Hello everyone, it's Aussie Locker here. Today we're going to try open this Performer padlock. Well, it's already open, but yeah, I found it on the side of the road. As you can probably see, it's pretty rusted if the camera focuses. So I tried to pick it for probably, I don't know, 2 hours. Had no luck, so I decided to lube it up. All I could find was this canola cooking spray, and that seemed to do the job. But yeah, oh well. So let's have a go at this. Let's lock it up. It's locked. I've got a variety of picks here. Usually I use my small tension wrench because this is a small ass padlock. But we're going to try do it with a variety of picks. Put it in the bottom. Let's get that right. I've got a bug on me, but oh well. Now I've come across this one. This seems to be my favourite so far. It's little circles. I don't know why, but it seemed to work pretty good. So let's have a go at this here. It's only a small keyway. Very small. We've got to use this small tension wrench. Or we're going to try to use the big one later maybe. We're going to stick it all the way to the back, if we can get it in there. We'll adjust this. There we go. Okay, we'll try to rake it first with this. Just applying, I don't know, medium tension. I think these are only pretty shit ass locks. But yeah, and there we go. It is open. So that was just with this circle pick. Let's close it back up. It's locked. Let's try put that tension wrench back in there. Let's try a small diamond. The camera focuses. Sort of, you can see that. Small diamond anyway. What I'm going to try now is to just zip it open. We'll see how that goes. So we're going to stick it all the way in there. All the way in. Don't want to hit the camera. I'm just going to try to zip it open. Apply medium tension again. And as we go in there, we're going to rock it a little bit to get it in there, which might help set the pins, you know. Okay, we're going to let off, try it again. Get it all the way in there. Oops. There's a little bit of rotation there. Okay, sometimes I have learnt though, I haven't let off tension, that if you just let off a little bit of tension as you go through, sometimes it will unlock if you've overset something. This time wasn't one of them, but I'm going to try it again. Okay, let's try it with something else. Let's try it with this. I call it a triple rake. It's a bit of a sharp one, but yeah. We'll try a rocket opener. Okay, so tension. We're just going to move back and forth, up and down. And there it is there. Turn, open. That was just with rocking it. We'll see if we can do that again. I think I got a bit close to the camera there. I'm just going to hold it, stick the pick all the way in, and try rock it. Doing this with no vice, just in my hand. About medium tension. There it goes again. Okay, lock it. Let's see what else we got here. I'm going to try the small diamond again. We'll try to zip it open, but this time I'm going to use my bigger tension wrench. It's thicker, gives more feedback, and it'll allow the pick to sit up a little bit higher for our zipping attempt. Stick it all the way in. It is a little bit harder to get in, but that's alright. Again, going up and down as we do re-enter. I did get a turn, but I think I might have overset something in there. Then try again. Okay, we'll release. Got a bit stuck there. That might mean it's open. Sometimes that does mean it's open. Release a little bit. No. Okay. But yeah, sometimes I have learned that if the pick gets stuck when you're zipping it, it is open. You just have to manipulate it a little bit. Let's just try bitch pick it with this small diamond. Now, I like to use both hands. So you'll go up and down with my left hand with the lock in it, plus my right hand. And there we go. It's unlocked once again. Let's see. I didn't plan to use any of these, but this is another one I really like. I know a lot of people don't for some reason, but I really like this one. It's like a half saw instead compared to this one. You can see it's quite a bit, well, it's about half size, yeah. So let's just have a go quickly at it for the last attempt. It is quite big, so we're going to use the small tension wrench here to allow a little bit more room. Now we'll just try going up and down at first, if I can get it in there. There she goes. Let's try to go up and down at first. Sort of bitch picking it. See if anything happens. Release, try again. Try one more time with this. There we go. So that just opened with pretty much bitch picking it with a half saw, I guess. We'll try rake it with it now. It's locked again. Let's try rake it. It does get a little bit stuck in there, but I can feel the core sort of turning. So you just gotta sort of work it. We'll try it again. Hold on, I'll reset my tension wrench. We'll take that out. There we go. Okay, tension wrench in, go back in. I'm not applying any tension yet. Okay, back. Let's apply tension, we'll try to rake it. While bitch picking it, sort of thing. You know, you still go up and down while you're raking. This is quite a big pick for this small ass padlock, but we can still sort of get a little bit of rakeage happening. Yeah, I should probably get a vise so I don't have to use my left hand to shake, you know. Come on. Okay, we'll reset, try again. It's in the right place, isn't it? Yep, it's in the right place. Maybe that is a little bit too big. I mean, it is quite compared to get it in there. We'll see if my camera can adjust. Not really. But yeah, it's quite a big pick for the keyway once the tension wrench is in there. I'm going to try this full rake, which is thinner, so it might have a little bit more luck. But I have opened it before with that thick one. Okay, we're just going to rake it. Make sure it's in there properly. Yeah. We'll just apply light tension. Doesn't want to open. Oh, there we go. As soon as I said it doesn't want to open, she opens. So, that is it from Aussie Locker. Have a good day, and don't do anything that I wouldn't do.